service provider company, and I'm proud enough to say that I'm part of 2005-8 physics batch in DG Vaishnav, and I'm here to now share my success story with you all, which could definitely be of motivation for you. So I just wanted to convey the fact that how physics has been so impactful in my career. Just a short story to start with. Now, when I joined physics in 2005, I was really not aware of the fact that the impact physics is going to create in my profile and the value add it's going to put on my resume. Now, after 12 years, when I look back and say, hey, you have chosen physics in 2005, I won't even regret the moment. So it was such a beautiful and wonderful thing which had happened to me. So I haven't pursued a degree after this because it was never required. So I work for a life sciences domain, and I happen to interact with a lot of academic scholars, PhDs, doctors in life sciences domain. Very recently, I was in Indiana interacting with one of our clients who was a doctor in life sciences and data science. So the respect I get when I say I'm a physics student is totally different from what an engineering student did. Right. So physics had taught a lot of things for us, particularly on how to apply stuff what you learn, how to be very impactful with whatever knowledge you have gained. So that sort of learnings which we took, has been the real success story. And our lecturers, professors, teachers, they were all like, what to say, they are like gurus for us, but taught each and every step to walk. So that's what I would say to you all. So I don't know if I would have been successful if I had chosen some other degree. Being a physics student, I knew how to apply stuff, whatever I learned. The knowledge we gained was immense. Not only about the physics, it's about developing your extracurricular activity or passion. We used to write poetries, be part of the literature club, and we used to play cricket. So we have done a lot of things during our time with DG Vaishnav as a student. Now it's all a wonderful memory which we could cherish of. Right. So physics is impacting the world. When I talk about life science as a domain, scholars are thinking of bringing in physics as as a paper in undergraduate and postgraduate degree. When I say degree, it's a life sciences degree, and they are trying to relate physics with life sciences, which is what it is at this moment. So without science there is nothing. So when you talk about science, you cannot ignore physics for the fact. So thank you for listening to me, and I would recommend you all to take up physics in such a reputed institute which is DG Vaishnav, and I am proud of it, and I hope you will be proud of what you do after say 10 years or 5 years from now. All the best, people. Thank you so much. I also would love to thank my professors. Thank you, Uttara ma'am, Amla ma'am, Raji ma'am, Radhika ma'am, and Sangeeta ma'am. Thank you so much. Bye.